Hello, wonderful friends! Are you ready for a super special story today? We're going on an adventure into the garden where tiny wonders hide and amazing tallies unfold. Today, we're going to meet some very special little creatures who are often misunderstood, but are actually quite incredible. Get ready to listen to the tale of the friendly garden spiders. In a garden green and grand, where flowers bloomed across the land, lived a spider, small and bright, with 8 little legs, a wondrous sight. His name was Woven, soft and kind, the gentlest spider you could find. He lived beneath a leafy bough, and dreamed of spinning. Even now, he watched the sun, he watched the dew, he watched the busy bees fly through. He saw the butterflies so grand, and wished to help across the land. But Woven was young, with dreams so high, to spin a web up to the sky. A web so strong, a web so neat, a silken path for tiny feet. He took a breath, he gave a tug. He tried to spin like a little bug. He pulled a thread so fine and thin. My masterpiece, it will begin. But oh dear me, it snapped and swayed, a wobbly line so quickly made. It dangled down a silly string, not quite the web he hoped to bring. He tried again, with all his might, from morning sun to fading light. He stretched his silk, he tried to glue each sticky strand so fresh and new. But still his webs would twist and turn, a tangled mess, a lesson to learn. He felt a tiny little sigh. Will my grand web ever fly? He sat upon a leaf so green, the saddest spider ever seen. My legs are nimble, quick and fast, but my poor webs just never last. Just then a voice so soft and clear whispered gently, do not fear. Each master spinner starts this way. You'll learn to spin, come what may. It was Spinner Sue, with eyes so bright, whose orb webs sparkled in the light. Her webs were round, a perfect wheel, a wondrous sight, so soft to feel. Come close, dear Woven, Sue did say, and watch me spin the proper way. First, anchor strong, from here to there, a sturdy frame beyond compare. Woven watched with eager gaze as Sue spun through the sunny haze. She made the spokes like bicycle wheels, then spiraled round. How clever she feels. Patience, Woven, that's the key, to make each strand as strong as can be. Don't rush your work, take time and care, and beauty in your web you'll share. Woven practice slow and true, making anchors strong and new. He learned to measure, learned to space, with gentle movements full of grace. Then came another, quick and keen, the fastest spinner ever seen. It was Speedy Sam, with legs so fleet, who built his web in a hidden street. His web was shaped like a cozy cone, a funnel home where he was known. I'm fast and nimble, Sam declared. My funnel web is always shared. For tiny flying things, it's quite a trap, but for my friends, a cozy nap. Sam showed Woven how to dart and weave, a speedy pattern hard to believe. He spun his silk with lightning pace, creating tunnels in a secret place. Sometimes you need to be so quick to build your home with a clever trick. A safe retreat, a hidden lair, to keep you cozy, free from care. Woven watched with wide-eyed awe and learned the speed of nature's law. He practiced darting, quick and bold, a speedy story to be told. And then came Lily, bright and grand, the strongest weaver in the land. She spun a web, a broad flat sheet, a silken carpet for tiny feet. Her web was wide, a glistening plain, that caught the dew and gentle rain. My sheet web covers, strong and vast, a sturdy home designed to last. It helps the garden, helps the ground, by keeping tiny pests unbound. Lily showed Woven how to spread a wide, flat blanket overhead. She taught him strength and how to bind a sturdy structure, one of a kind. Sometimes you need to cover wide to help your friends, with nothing to hide. A strong foundation, firm and true, for all the garden, me and you. Woven learned from Lily's might to make his webs both strong and tight. He practiced weaving, broad and deep, while tiny garden secrets sleep. Woven watched them, learned with glee how different webs could truly be. He practiced spinning day by day in his own special gentle way. He learned from Sue, the patient art. He learned from Sam, a speedy start. He learned from Lily, strong and wide, with all their wisdom deep inside. One sunny morning, bright and clear, a tiny butterfly shed a tear. She'd fluttered down from a tall rose, entangled in a thorny pose. Her delicate wings, so soft and frail, were caught and snagged. "Oh, what a wail! Oh dear, oh dear!" the butterfly cried. "I'm stuck and cannot fly or glide." Woven saw her, small and sad, and knew a way to make her glad. He thought of Sue, an anchor strong. He thought of Sam, where he belonged. He thought of Lily, broad and vast, and knew his moment had come at last. He spun a thread, so fine and bright, an anchor firm with all his might. Then quickly, quickly, like speedy Sam, he wove a path without a jam, a silken bridge, so soft and new, for the little butterfly to pass through. He made it strong, like Lily's sheet, a gentle pathway for tiny feet. He worked with care, with gentle hand, the kindest spider in the land. "Climb up, dear friend," he gently said, "my web will help you right to your bed." The butterfly climbed with happy cheer and thanked dear Woven, holding him dear. "You saved my day, you kind, kind friend. Your helpfulness will never end." All the garden creatures cheered, for Woven's kindness now revered. Woven smiled, a happy sight. His web had helped, with all its might. He learned that day a truth so grand, that every creature in this land has special gifts, a special role, to make the world a happy whole. Spiders may seem small and shy, but they help the garden way up high. They keep the plants so fresh and green, the best little helpers ever seen. So next time you see a web so fine, remember Woven and his kind. They spin and weave with gentle grace, making the world a better place. 8 little legs, a silken thread, good friends to have, it can be said. They're busy workers day and night, bringing balance pure and bright. Wasn't that a wonderful story about Woven and his friends? Spiders are truly amazing creatures, aren't they? They work so hard to keep our gardens healthy and beautiful. And they teach us so much about patience, strength, and helping others. I hope you enjoyed our adventure today and learned something new about these gentle web spinners. Thank you so much for joining me. If you love this story, please give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. See you soon, my wonderful friends.